Hello everyone. So I thought that I could teach you how to do um, references in APA style. So this is usually done for if you're going to do if you're going to school for psychology like myself, you're going to do APA style references in that sort of format. So what you want to start with is the references tab. And we are particularly looking at this area right here. And there's a lot of different things that you can do, but we are going to go ahead and insert a citation first. So in my particular thing that I'm doing right now is a journal article, a peer-reviewed article. And I got lucky on this one. There's a little thing right here that already gives me all the information. Sometimes they don't, and that's fine. But for this reference or for this example, I'm going to do it like this. So we want to put our authors, of course, right here. And in APA style, you want to do the last name first, and then the middle initial and the initial of the first name. And then the title, in my case, I'm just going to copy and paste all of this. It's so much easier. It will save you a lot of time. And then we're going to go, I'm going to show you how to manage your sources as well. So we've got our title, the journal name, so where it was published, the year, I believe it was 2013, and then the pages. So the pages are more than likely going to be the last thing in this little box, and in my case it is. So we're going to copy and paste that. So year, pages, and if you can't find a year, that's fine. You can just put in.d. That just means no date. And we're going to put okay. So this is for if we're typing and we're referencing some work, and then no matter what, you want to start with your new reference. You want to start a new page. At the top of that page, you want to go to bibliography, and you want to go down to references. Just go ahead and click on references, and usually you'll have a pretty long list of references that you have that you've referenced in your paper. But for today, I just have this one, of course. So we're going to manage our sources. So I go to school for psychology, so I have a pretty big list of citation references that I have. So we're going to we made a mistake. We don't want this. It's not the one we want. So we're going to get rid of the reference list, and we're going to get rid of the citation, and we're going to go back into the manage sources. And then this box will show up. You want to click on the one that you want to get rid of or edit. We'll do edit first. You can get in here, say you put book and you meant to put journal article. You can do that. Okay? And then just press OK. Or you can just click on it and delete. So, and all of your citations, references that you've done in Word that you've saved will be in your master list. And that is very important if you ever want to reference those sources again.